Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add required custom checkbox to the WooCommerce checkout page. This website sells peptide and the client wants customer to confirm that they understand the products are intended for research purpose only. The customer must select the checkbox before they can complete the purchase. You can use the same method to add any other checkout field as well, depending on the information you need from your customers. So let's see how we can set this up. First, you can log in your WordPress dashboard. To add an extra field to the WooCommerce checkout page, we will use a plugin. Go to the plugins and add a new plugin. Search for a checkout field editor for WooCommerce. So this is the plugin. You can install and activate this plugin. Once the plugin is activated, you can go to the WooCommerce and select the checkout form. Here you can see all the existing fields that currently appear on your checkout page, such as customer names, address, email address, and phone number. To create a new field, click Add Field. The first thing you need to choose is the field type. You can add different types of fields such as text field, drop-down menu, date field, radio button, or checkbox. For this website, I need a checkbox, so I will select the checkbox as the field type. Now enter the label that you want customer to see. Since customer must accept this confirmation before placing their order, enable the required option. Once everything is ready, click Save and Close. Now let's open the checkout page and refresh it. As you can see, our new confirmation checkbox has been successfully added to the checkout page. Let's test it to make sure it's working properly. I will try to place the order without selecting the checkbox. WooCommerce display an error message and prevent the order from being submitted because this is the required field. Now I will select the checkbox and try again. This time the customer can continue with the purchase. So the field is working exactly as expected. So that's how you can easily add any custom field at your checkout page. You can use this method to collect extra information such as delivery instruction, what number, preferred delivery dates, customer confirmations, or any other details required for your store. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments which WooCommerce tutorial you would like to see next. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.